Welcome back. Want to give you a quick update on the Civil War era house. We got the back apartment done. I got it rented out, and they started on the roof on the main house. Let's do a walkthrough. For a refresher, this is what the rooms look like in that back maid's quarters of that Civil War era house that this had been converted into a studio. Placed all the red paint with gray, replaced the ceiling tiles that were damaged from the leaky roof after the leaky roof was fixed. We rented this house about a week after I filmed this. Unfortunately, it's not completely done here, but you kind of get the idea, and this is the best I can give you because it did rent out pretty fast. This floor here, we actually extended this floor all the way into the kitchen, so it's the same throughout. Didn't really do much else in the bathroom. Again, just kind of giving you a refresh of what it looked like in here. As it's pretty. I like the tile. It's pretty well done in here. I think we might have touched up the paint in here a little bit, but for the most part, we really didn't do a lot here. Again, I kind of like that tile. That looks kind of good. We extended that floor all the way through the kitchen, so there's no awkward transition there. Again, touched up all this, changed all the paint to gray. Kind of, I'll show you. This is the bedroom. I'll show you the pre here, what it looked like when we first got it. The red patches everywhere, so it's like red with gray. And then you'll see this wall here where it's just deteriorated all the way down. We got that all fixed, put some drywall in down below. There's still some flaws in the plaster there, but you kind of got to live with it or tear all the plaster out and start over, which would have been a little pricey here. Hopefully you see all the potential in the house that we see. To make sure we get a good long-term tenant, our rent may have to be just slightly a little lower because of the big ceilings and just in square footage of the house. But we've already got a couple of people very interested. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Help us get our Facebook followers up. I'd love to get 100 followers over there so I can start a contest. If you haven't, like and subscribe. Stick around. We're going to do great things.